The intensity of rains in Mumbai reduced after isolated heavy showers were recorded all throughout morning of 27th of June. However, weathermen said isolated heavy rains are expected to continue throughout the week. The Met Department has also issued a warning for fishermen, saying they should not venture into seas owing to strong winds. Many fishing boats at the shore capsized and got damaged due to heavy rain and strong sea wind. In fact, weather officials said that wind speeds are expected to strengthen further in the coming days. Many parts of the city have been inundated following heavy downpour, throwing normal life out of gear.